We know about the headache you have when controlling your orders. Can't have smooth communication directly with manufacturers? Can't memorize all the order details? Can't comprehend every technical detail about the production? Can't follow the production plan timely? Have no chance to know the real situation on site? Can't be assured of the delivery time? Can't sleep at night while worrying about the quality? With the smart iControl order control system on TradeAider App, we are making your business much smoother, efficient, and transparent. A TradeAider merchandising manager in China headquarters, supported by TradeAider QCs on site of the factories and sales representatives based in your area, will help you liaise with the manufacturers, put all the order details into the system. Your manager will summarize all the key tasks, monitor the entire production process according to the production plan, updating the real production situation through photos, videos, and text reporting. Blockchained and publicly notarized, keeping all the records of comments, approvals, and confirmations archived online. Last but not least, the TradeAider team will find and solve quality problems throughout the complete production process, guaranteeing that the quality of goods will meet your requirements. With iControl system, all you need to do is follow the process and instructions on the app work table, and simply click yes or no on the iControl app. Further follow-up detailed action plan will be performed jointly by the factory and the TradeAider team, and monitored by yourself through the app on your mobile phone whenever and wherever you are. We are maximizing transparency and efficiency in your order controlling system, enabled by all three parties. No warnings will be neglected, no mistakes will be made. Therefore, the successful handling of the orders and the final quality of the goods are guaranteed. Service at TradeAider.com.